Owning a home with a pool increases both your property risks and your liability exposure. Here are some tips that may help protect your family, your guests, and your financial security. As the property owner, you may be held liable if someone is injured in or around your pool and you were negligent in maintaining safety. Additionally, you may be required to update your liability limits or add an umbrella policy. Implementing precautions, such as installing a pool fence or adding safety alarms and underwater sensors, may help reduce risk. Always inspect your pool structure for any cracks or corrosion and test your water quality to ensure everything is up to standard. Keeping Coast Guard-approved flotation devices, a reach pole, and a first aid kit near the pool area is recommended. Before pool season, establish pool safety rules, document your safety measures, refresh your emergency skills, and review your homeowner's insurance policy to make sure it is up to date. Taking time to optimize your pool area, review your coverage, and set ground rules helps you enjoy your home with absolute confidence. Visit our website to learn more.